Crazy. I can't stop thinking. I go crazy. Run away, I wanna get it. So hard. I don't know how long my heart can stay. And when the stars are something magic happens that's divine. You say it's into her, and I'm into her. Hindi pa, pero...
Sige.
Parang part ko yun. Medyo lang. Pero gusto nang maniwala sa'yo. Hindi mo ipitawan ang pangako.
Hindi tatakbo ang puso ko. Kaya magtampo, hindi lalayo. Wala nang siguro.
Pero sigurado tayo sa ating dalawa.
Siguro sana hindi pa tayo wala
Sa'yo.
pero sigurado tayong dalawa'y para sa isa't isa. May tanong ako.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ino?
Tara?
Nakakakita ka na ba ng kulay?
Medyo ito, ang dami ko nakikitang kulay eh. Pero mas lalo dito. Relax. First of all, gusto ko nang sabihin, congratulations sa'yo. Kasi, tinan mo naman, di ba? Palaging sold out yung crowd mo. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito, sa pagsuporta kay Pink. Ako, never ko ginagawa to. Ito, live with you. Pero para sa'yo, gagawin ko to. Meron pa ba? O dapat meron pa, siyempre. Inom muna ako ng tubig, ah. So we're slowly taking it back to like memory lane. And then, ano ba yung next nun? Sing along na lang kung gusto niyo.
Of mine.
But in this trouble, I realize that I'm only looking on their eyes, concentrating only on what they see. Now I know.
For your eyes on me.
what they see in me.
No matter what
I'll be. It's for your eyes on me.
Kang mahihiwan sabihin sa akin ang mga nilalaman isip mong naguguluhan.
Di nadala, nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi.
Hanggang sa muli pupunasan ang mga luha
Natin
at haharapin.
kahit
Kahit na magmamahal, kahit na kahit na kahit na
Kamusta naman kayo? Enjoy lang kami dito, nagkakwentuhan lang kami. Kamusta naman araw mo? You were a bit stressed no kanina.
earlier, but
You're
now
like-
that I'm here, I'm so happy.
You're like shaking and stuff, but you're doing great.
Yeah, I feel safe.
Hey guys, huwag muna kayong umuwi ah. Okay pa. So after ng Tease Into Her Season 2, nandito yung director ng movie na yun, Direct T.
Direk!
Ano kaya pa? I love you. Thank you for being here. Ito, dedicated sa ito at lahat sa mga sumuporta ng Inconvenient Love.
Thank you so much.
I love you daw, sabi. Ano sabi? I love you, Belle daw.
I love you. Letter D. Hawak kamay ng lawak at sandal.
Ang pasigan, saksi ang araw at buwan.
Ilis ang tibok ng puso tuwing hikay.
Umatawa at tumitingin sa aking mata.
Pwede namang dito muna tayo.
Hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahit at dilaw.
Huwag muna tayo umuwi. Mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi.
Dito muna.
Maaga pa ating gabi, naglalaho ang dilim.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
Ikaw uwi ah. Pero ito naman. Ito na nga, dapat ngayon ko sinabi to eh.
Ano yun?
I feel safe.
Take two.
Take two. I feel safe. Kayo, may idea ba kayo kung anong next namin kakantahin?
Dito sa gitna. Lahat kayo, kamusta kayo lahat? Okay pa naman. Okay pa naman sila. Okay. Alam nyo na, sabayin nyo kami dito. Kasi nakakamiss si Bingo tsaka si Ling eh.
Bingo, play.
Aalis na daw siya. Huwag ka muna malis.
Bakit?
Nobody knows the story. Could be fate or random circumstance. The roads intertwine.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear,
You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears.
weary heart.
Remember how we laughed until we cried, and the most stupid things like we were so high, but love was all that we were.
And though the world will never understand, it's only way and why it still stands. Someday we will be set free.
Sabay, sabay!
Close your eyes,
Dry your tears,
'cause when nothing
seems clear
from the sheer weight
of your
doubts and fears,
weary heart.
you'll be safe here.
Thank you guys, we love you.
Guys, pero before we leave, I'd like to thank you personally, Nato. Thank you so much for being here. Alam ko kung gano'ng ka-hands-on. We've been practicing this for days, weeks even. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much for all the effort. Maraming
Congratulations on a successful concert. You are the definition that when you believe in something, it can happen, and I'm so proud of you.